Hello, I hope you're doing great because today I'm going to show you how to get your face like a sunflower seed. And maybe you are wondering what the fuck is a face like a sunflower seed. Okay, in China there are two kinds of faces. One is Bao Zi Lian, that means when your face is like round like a ball, because Baozi it's like a bread and inside it has vegetables or meat and it's round shape. And the other kind of face is
挂丝链
means like a sunflower, like your jaw goes like smaller and long. So if you have Baozi Lian, you can be a Guazi Lian with this tutorial. Okay, step number one is apply lotion, because Koreans are always like shiny and moisturized and glowing face and everything. If you know, if you watch dramas, you know what I'm talking about. So first we need to apply lotion. These tapes. Okay, so they have the instructions in Korean, but I cannot speak Korean, so we will try. Okay, they have like this thing, the steps in Chinese, because I got this in China. Okay, I have this one here, and then in this part you like split it. We have it here. And first, as you can see, like you need to apply it in the ear part here. So first you take this part, and then it said like it goes down, so you put it here, and then you take the other part and you need to like pull, and it's supposed to be more like this, so maybe one is not enough for me. Like what I want is this wrinkle to go like if I apply Botox or something. Maybe more. It feels weird like in this part. Like one good thing is you cannot even notice it. Nothing. Maybe if you apply makeup, it will be like covered, but now it like I got surgery and I don't know. Okay, I'm going to apply like here, so it goes, everything goes up, but it's not. Okay, following the Korean girl, we do this, and then we go higher. Nothing. Okay, this doesn't work at all, because I don't know if you can see it, like I have three and I had the same face, but I applied filters with this app and it made me like so sharp here, like I look like an alien now, and that's what we wanted to do. This tutorial was for maybe like a party. Maybe I should do a tutorial about how to take them off, because it's really hard, as you can see. Can you see? And all my skin goes down. So now the step number 2 is with this thing. Okay, this bag has this one, and it's so funny that it has this to measure how fat is your face. Maybe it's 64. Maybe more. You see? 62, 63. I have a big brain. Yes, so smart. Okay, so now we have this thing. This, you need to wear this when you are going to sleep. So first, maybe you need to wear your pajamas. Now we are with our pajamas. We have this thing, and maybe you are like, what the fuck, what is this? So as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3 holes. Why? Because this one, you will put it here, and then these 2 holes are in your ears. So you need to be careful, and then you need to close it. And now you're set. You will be like this the whole night. As you can see, I cannot even speak. But what is this for? This will help your fat of your cheeks like go away. I don't know how, but it's really painful and you cannot even speak. But you need to sleep with this. Like if you're like this fat and you really want to have a beautiful face, just do it. And that's it. That's my tutorial for today. And if you think it worked, like, you can order this on internet, I guess. You see, like, so sexy now. Okay, so goodbye, and I'm going to sleep, I guess. Bye.